Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Urvi and for today's video I have an exciting video for you. Basically what I want to talk about is how you can create a sub niche for your niche and dominate and grow 2 times faster if you just have a niche. So without further ado, let's just get started. So I've literally written down all of the notes over here. So basically I'm gonna explain it this way. Let's say if your niche is fashion, because just like not everyone knows like digital marketing niches, so just I'm gonna focus on this one. So let's say if your niche is fashion and if you want to make fashion videos, I'm so sorry if you can hear the bird, it's just chirping so loud and it's really annoying me. Anyways, if your niche is fashion and if you want to create fashion based videos, you can definitely have awareness about the competition. Like the competition in the fashion niche is too much. Like there are a lot of people who are fashion bloggers, but how can you dominate that and go within the fashion niche and create a sub niche for yourself? Okay, so in fashion you have different styles. Let's say you have boho, you have edgy style, you have minimalist, you have girly, you have different kinds of style. You can, and also there are different realms when it comes to fashion. Let's say you have affordable fashion, you have thrifting, you have like high end, you have luxury, you have couture, all of that stuff. So you just do not have to focus on fashion, like posting just fashion content. You have to go dive in. What do you like talking about? Let's say if you love talking about minimalist clothing, that can be a thing. You can be like a minimalist fashion blogger, or you can be a blogger who just talks, who, if you are a blogger or if you are a person who wants to create content on fashion, but also you create, like, you yourself wear clothes which are quite affordable, not really high end or luxury. Start talking about that and you will be known for this person who talks about high-end affordable fashion, which has a personal style of let's say minimal and girly stuff. So are you getting what I'm saying? So only the people who are interested in affordable fashion will come and watch your videos, come and watch your photos, follow you on Instagram. That way, this is kind of like a sub niche of yourself. You are not categorizing yourself into all of the fashion bloggers, but you are one of the person who talks about affordable fashion, who has a minimal style to it. That this can be in other way around as well. You can be a luxury blogger who has a chic style to it. I'm just gonna give you a few examples. A very famous examples are Sejal Kumar. She talks a lot about thrifting and affordable clothes, all of that stuff. You have that boho girl. She is known for her boho-ness. All of these clothes she wears is like very boho and very the vibes are like very beachy, airy, bohemian vibes. And if you also know Kelsey Simone, she is the queen when it comes to minimalism. She wears only black, white, golden, neutral color tone clothes. She just does not wear color. So she is known for that and she has like millions of followers. So like people do really care about it. So that's what a sub niche is, and that's how you can dive into it. You know what I'm saying? Another great example is if you see at like a digital marketing, this is a huge niche. In that you have things such as social media. In social media you have all of the social media platforms. You have SEO, you have blog writing, you have copywriting, you have video marketing, video SEO, all of that stuff. There's this one person called as Neil Patel. He is an amazing expert at SEO. So what did he do? He just did not focus all of it on digital marketing. He first of all went and became an expert in SEO. Then he branched out to other aspects of digital marketing and talks about other aspects in digital marketing such as Instagram and all of that stuff. So you see where I'm going, okay? You have to create a sub niche for yourself, so then you will blow up a little bit more faster, because not a lot of people are focusing on the sub niche, they are focusing on the overall niche. The fourth one is see which one works the best for your personal brand. As I said, I cannot create a sub niche for myself as a girly fashion blogger who loves talking about luxury or high end. No, I'm not that. I hate wearing pink. I hate wearing the color pink, and I don't buy high end or luxury products because I cannot afford luxury items as of now in my life, and I am living the lifestyle where I just buy affordable, minimal clothing. So yeah, like you just do not have to just pick one thing because it just is like, oh, it's too shiny. You can say, like, in the Instagram social media language, like it's too flexy. But you just have to pick the one which suits you. I cannot just go and talk about SEO and talk like an expert how Neil Patel talks about SEO. I don't know SEO. I relate to Instagram and YouTube and content marketing, content writing more. So I'm gonna talk about that. So yeah, fourth point is see which one works the best for your personal brand and yourself. Then the fifth point is dive deeper and go further into it. You just have to keep talking about it. Let's say if you really love Instagram, talk everything about it. If you really love content marketing, talk everything about it. And then the sixth point which I've written down over here is the advantages. This will help you to create a niche of your own and increase the authority of your brand. Let me give you an example. So if you search Instagram marketing, how to grow on Instagram, you will see an amazing girl called Jade Dharmavangsa. She posts a lot about Instagram and she has become the authority in that niche. Let's say if you watch her videos and then you see all of her videos, like most of them, I think 80% of them, she talks about Instagram, how to go and grow on Instagram, how to build a successful brand, and all of the different types of stuff involving Instagram, where Instagram is a main focus and she talks about it. So she has built an authority, whereas if she could have spoken about anything and everything all together, that couldn't have been the case. And now people know her as the Instagram girl. You know what I mean? The person who she has created a trust within the community that yes, like Jade is the best one with who talks about Instagram. So I'm just gonna go and ask her out. Not like ask her out, but like you get the point. Another example, if you come towards YouTube, you can see how to grow on YouTube. You can see Think Media is the one. You can see Sunny Lenarduzzi. They all talk about YouTube and they have been talking about YouTube for the longest time ever. So that's how you create an authority in this sub niche. Sunny is an expert in digital marketing, but she does not talk about digital marketing as a whole. But what she does is she sub-niched herself when she dived deeper into what she knows the best, which is YouTube marketing, and she just talks about it. And now she is an authority figure to the people who want to grow on YouTube, and she does it really good. So yeah, those were the 5 points. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you gained something about niches and sub niches. You can dive right in, and it's not like, oh my god, you just should focus on niches and sub niches. This is just more of like an informative thing. It will be good to recognize your personal brand and to see what really you are, rather than just focusing on all of it. You just should focus on what you and your personal brand really is. So yeah, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe, do all of that stuff, and I'll see you next time. Till then, bye.